Buongiorno! We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the most famous of all Italian brands of pasta made in Italy, the most popular brand of pasta sold all around the world. We are looking at how to pronounce with the typical Italian pronunciation the name Barilla. Of course, this is not Spanish nor French, so do not say Barilla, but rather Barilla. You do want to insist on the double L because it matters in Italian. Barilla. Barilla. If you cannot roll your R like the Italians do, simply say Barilla. Barilla. But do insist on the I and the double L. Barilla. If you want to learn how to pronounce all of the names of different types of pastas, here are many more videos that you should watch next. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of Italian pronunciation. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao.